So what is righteousness? From again a psycho, spiritual, and a radical aspect. So righteousness is that a defense mechanism where you are trying to hide and mask the part of you that felt wronged. So imagine, or maybe an experience where you did something, okay, and people pointed it out to you that you were wrong, and if you were made to feel that this was totally incorrect and this was just not acceptable, and some maybe you were very severely punished for it. And maybe with time, certain more things happened where you did something, then you were made to feel that you were wrong. And again, maybe the punishment was attached to it. So what happened is that you made an association of punishment with being wrong. And you were also very uncomfortable when people made you feel that you were not right and you were wrong. Now as you grow big, you become very defensive and you want to mask that part of you that felt wrong once upon a time. And now it is just not okay for you to be wrong or for anyone to tell you that you're wrong. After that, you become very, very careful. Sometimes you don't even want to take decisions because you're so scared that what if you did something and then again people told you you were wrong, and then maybe you would not be comfortable with it. So we have a lot of people who are not able to take decisions. So somewhere it stems out of that fear that what if I go wrong? And you've also, you've also noticed that a lot of people then overcompensate for that feeling of not being wronged again. That they will, in their conversation, will always, say that I've always made the right decision. So in the conversation itself, they're always trying to tell people that I am right. It's just to compensate for that feeling with what they when they felt, before. And what also happens is that even when they sometimes actually make a mistake, it's very difficult to accept it because you don't want to go through that emotion of feeling uncomfortable and then being wrong by being told by people that you're wrong, and then maybe have some kind of punishment associated with it. So good, you do become very careful. But there's another thing that happens, and that is if you feel restricted, you feel you're very cautious, you're scared to you're scared to be your true spontaneous self, you're scared to flow with the flow, you don't feel you yourself completely. And if you look at the from a larger and a higher perspective, there is nothing wrong or right, there is nothing like black or white, positive, negative, good or bad. It's action and consequences. And if you really look from, and the more you become aware and evolve in your consciousness, you realize that from the higher perspective, everything has a brilliance in it. So it's okay if there was something that you did which was not correct in from the perspective of the outer perspective. But instead of rejecting that part of you or that part of your personality, if you want to just be your spontaneous self, if you want to feel that freedom, you want to feel free, it's okay to bring that part of your personality, revive that part of your personality, and recognize it and acknowledge it, that it's okay.